Today we're going to make hot broccoli salad. We need broccoli, onions, ginger garlic chili, salt, soy sauce, corn flour, honey and vinegar. First we're going to blanch our broccoli. Then in a small bowl add 1 tablespoon corn flour, a teaspoon of honey, 1 teaspoon of vinegar, 1 teaspoon of soy sauce and a pinch of salt. Stir it well and add cold water and stir it again. Now on a high flame, we are going to stir fry our onions, ginger, garlic and chili. Add some salt and then our broccoli and stir fry it. At the end, we are going to add our corn flour mixture and mix it well until it sticks to our salad. It's a perfect salad for winters.